Hello and welcome back to another video from Planet Random. Today we want to unbox the beast of the beast. Today we want to unbox Crane 3S by Zoan. So stay tuned. So I took it out of the box, and out of the box comes with this beautiful, nice silverish case with the manual. Manual comes with the service card and also the manual itself in a lot of different languages. So what you do and what it is. And I don't know if they call it version 2 or whatever. I call it version 1. Version 1 comes with only the stick, the basic stick, and version 2 comes with the Smart Sling stick, and version 3 it comes with all the battery, extra battery charger. So as you guys see, out of the box comes with a giant gimbal. We will take it out. I already opened the box and I'm charging the batteries. The batteries, 3 alkaline batteries supposed to be here, and also the charger, the C-type charger, is right here. But I'm already charging the batteries so we can test it and see how it's gonna go. From the right side corner, so this is the lens holder plus this 2 bars for your focus zone, a pad for under your camera, box of cables. It comes with 5 different kind of cables. It comes with C-type, micro USB type, C-type to C-type, C-type to micro USB, call it micro USB, another C-type to micro, like Android chargers. The other one is USB to the old kind of, the USB, the second ones, I don't know exactly what they call them. Screws, Allen keys. And if you guys pay attention here, this is a rubber. So this is for your extension. Let me put these back. So this is for your extension. Where the extension goes, right here. So this is the extension. It comes with the second type of gimbal. Goes right here, somewhere around here. As I said, like a version 1, it comes without this and without this. Without the Smart Sling and without the attachable, make it extra bigger for your bigger camera. That's the pad. I gotta see what it is for. I'm not familiar exactly. Small tripod, really nice quality, beautiful quality. As I don't know if you guys saw the other video, I had gimbal 3S, and that was a fine gimbal, except I had the issue with one of the motors. And my shooting started being really noisy. Still works, no issue, but it wasn't quite like other ones. And you can notice it on shooting a video. It's really noticeable, and sounds kind of the bee whizzing, making noises next to your, speaker mic. So that was really annoying. So I had to return it and change it with this one. So This too is all for this too. And so far really good, but it is heavy and you can feel the heaviness. And this is for the Smart Sling, the handle, the bar, whatever you want to call it. And this is itself, the Giant. It is heavy. It is heavy. And here, if you can see this, you push this back. That's the spot for your batteries. Really nice and firm plastic, rubber. Put it back, push it down, locked. This is the lock button for your handle. Also, you can use it for a Smart Sling, and I believe something like this goes right here. Here you go. If you attach this, you can make it added extra space. If you really have a big hands like me, I'm gonna end up using this. So we already find out what it is for. There you go. You attach it here and you add up extra space for your hands. I'm pretty sure you guys saw a lot of different reviews on this, but this has 3 different lock mechanisms. One is open. Second, there you go, like this. So the second one, it locks it a little bit to the half and all the way in the back. It tied it 100%, so there is no movement at all. Other side, extra space if you want to put your monitor, your phone is attachable, and you get to buy it separately. It didn't come with it, so around $49.99. I'll put the link down below. If you're interested, you can look at it at Amazon. You get to put this bag. So this is a DC charger. It didn't come with it. Also, you have to buy it separately. This is a ring for your focus ring. Really nice quality. And if you notice the motor, really huge motor. This should supposed to be, and really, I don't know, it's a Chinese or Japanese or whatever it is. It really make it really nice looking. Alright, so we get it adjusted later. I'm still waiting to battery get charged. If you noticed here, so you're moving your gimbal left and right, top and bottom. Overall, without turning it on yet, it's really nice quality. I'm impressed. If you have any question, please ask me. As always, if you liked the video, please like the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching.